Hello guys, how are you doing? What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ma Cheng. Right now I'm going to talk about KoKO debest and Jblinger, about this post which they post on social media. KoKO debest has put this on his social media page. KoKO debest, you guys know who KoKO debest is, alright? This is the legend in South Sudan and also in Ethiopia. Right now what I'm about to talk about is not about his music or whatever, or Jblinger music, because I know they are legend. They got good music, quality video, right? So what I want to do right now is to talk a little bit about the message that they post. And the message say like this. Okay, there are a lot of things we need to change in this community. If we love each other, other communities are busy loving each other. While we are here blessed, our brothers and sisters, we need to fight this envy together. Telo and Gajak and Gajuk and Loa and Bintio and Pangak Nuerekel. Put it in mind. That is the best post ever that KoKO debest has put on his Facebook page. All right. So what I want to talk about right here is all about what we've been going through as a community. Okay. Right now I'm going to change the language. I will speak in my mother tongue, because you guys already hear about the message. So the message concern only my tribe, which is Nuer. So I will be speaking in Nuer language. Okay, Gary, man chia post, adamanda ni KoKO debest kana Jblinger, emugwalong, you know. Ano de Nuere de Korean near kam ne kien logram daman ke logram nyiman ke logo gur ke mor ke whatever. Eko guru je de benyal karwadu ke der society de change karwadu. I'm telling you guys, alana me tell me there nung. In fact, tell me go me there nung kon. Okay, me knew the auto. Me she reach me like this generation, younger generation. Me she kana kabre lo ni kana big Nuer beken keger. All right. So be big impact be no within our society as Nuer community, ke Nuer people. Kodi alanat God me shaka dabri door mo laken mandanen men chushke within like kena ngaji na menene. So beken ben gwa scale ateleka loitro big jal ka loy kel karwada. Talk to my chalar gomani a KoKO debest can a Jblinger lat can auto a moo conweri mulokoro dan come no corner corodan can a coquian check a community coquian no carodian cocon gomani could corner rodan lat corner rodan jor chicken guru to ban a community dan bane camnial why a moo to walk a gen message dan and she can a lot a moo me de corner latinamo. Nai kone auto shimikan gore chikan gore Nuerekel, okay? And Barach ka kwida mandan kel meteka social media right now, and I will share with you guys his post. Chelar nene a jena Nuerekel tell me shalen Nuer kongwan, alright? Jena chelar. Mluno to society there or the knock as a society Nuer de Korodian knock, they got can de Koron knock. They can these issues, these problems content within the community Nuer they ka fight ke they ka watch and ma gora gat mo chalo den charge pat ke charge cap ko chikana goro na me dera ngotin. Okay, so something which kon gor ka gwa ber lo nyin kon kwire gor kon bana tin kon nyon Nuer bana ko do no chikona link. We do not talk about all of this all the time, right? So though we have a lot of songs, let me say it, I have songs about how Nuer people may take a desperate kajakaron knock, katako de Korodian knock, ke de chonkel. But you know, people still not yet can consider they can lela na big things, okay? So again, nagaja long they teach it kane kona diditi she ke Jblinger kane KoKO debest kane koken nagyo de Nuer de ko niam they can let a boom ko de Nuer de kakel then auto banari lat jor inga ka to tene na ki ngak tene na de je love always will win, cause nok miteten again la min din jan la kujin din la ja poker ki la na la ka no together. Metekon konok as a community ki ko konastimo la Nueri we mon de kon Nuer community she badani ki chiroda noge de kon together de all the ala kon la rodin la de kon ka overcome de kon ko wot jen message dan chala demanda no mat ko rodan de kon jeg di ala kon lat ka rodien ka community dan de kon ko. Thank you guys for listening. This is your boy Ma Cheng. You guys know me, who am I? So I'm a musician and also a music producer, and you guys know also I'm a 3D artist. I'm trying to come up, guys, all right? So please, if you're somebody who want me to move on like this, okay, because I want to talk a lot about what is happening within our society as a Nuer community, or as a South Sudanese or Ethiopian. I will be touching every side, okay? I mean within South Sudan and within Ethiopia, because me, I'm Ethiopian and I'm also a South Sudanese. You know, my origin, I'm South Sudanese, but right now I'm Ethiopian because I live in Ethiopia. So what is important right now is not about South Sudan or about Ethiopia, it's about Nuer society. Nuer, what can they do as a community? How can they overcome all this degrading among themselves? Okay, this is what this is all about. So the message that KoKO debest and Jblinger said on the social media page is amazing, and it is incredible, and I would like to support it 100%. We need to stop degrading one another. We need to stop humiliating our people. Okay, so please, if there's someone who never got this message, please try to carry it around, spread the news, please, because I want everybody to be in the same umbrella where I am, and what our boys right here, this legend right now, has posted on their social media page. Thank you guys for listening. God bless you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.